wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain. Two sides to a story, lies and what is true. I know you're hurt, I am hurting too.
Me.
Stay by the color of light, all because
Look how long you are asleep. Every minute you're tired.
So why you with me? You think I'm more tired? I don't know.
I want to talk to you about something. I want to ask you something.
What could have more important than the sleep for me I do?
Something will benefit both me and you.
Oh God, man. Where's it now?
Like you get to work and everything I go good. You all there give me the money, you know. So here, if you don't want to give me the money in my hand, make we start a business. One shop the right down there so I rent. And me have one money in my pocket same way, where we can put it together. We go and run a fish shop, because I know see you have it. Big.
You with me. You see? Wait just say. You with me, I said no. You might feel say every day you see me get up and go to work. You might feel say me I get money. The tractor now work. Me only go fix. So you see every money when we did have then, I tractor gone pan. Without the tractor there is no money. So I will sacrifice everything that I have now and put it on there.
But the shop can't make money that me I try to tell you, you can't even leave the tractor.
Without the tractor there is no money, so the tractor have to fix so we can get money.
But we can't make money out of the shop too.
Out of we shop where people don't trust.
No.
Shop where people can trust.
You know
Nobody
we can't
can
run
trust
business.
my tractor. Nobody can tell me say, yo, me I trust if you do that. Shop, then trust salt, then trust oil, then trust flour, then trust sugar, then trust biscuit, then trust...
Me not run my one so. You we can leave the tractor, you want to be sick and you want to be tired all the time. Because the shop can benefit me and you, me I try to tell you, listen me no man.
You better sell the TV and stock the shop. It's more important. Me now watch TV. So you better sell it.
Every day you get up so you go to work, right?
Uh-huh.
You don't care about no money. And you go tell me about tractor this, tractor that. If you never make no money, you never ever go. Because I know you love money. So no bother with it.
Well, if you tell the truth, you might say I love money. But it seems like you don't understand this world. And who no love money? Tell me who no love money.
You have it, so give me the money. Make me just stock up the shop. I will rent the shop and it will go from there.
But you still not listen. B, you still not listen. It come like everything is about money. Money. When me asleep, money. When me have a bathroom, money. When me have left out, money. When me did I see anything, I go talk about money.
Me don't like what you talk. You can't upset me. Alright then, here, give me some money and go buy some food for cook.
Alright. Okay, now I understand what I'm going to say. You don't understand what I'm going to say.
Oh! You don't have no money but you can buy cash pot. You don't have no money. But, let me see. You don't have no money but you can buy cash pot. It's at this morning. You go buy cash pot.
See, there's not left. I empty car them empty bank here.
Who you get this? What this can buy?
You can buy half pound of rice and cook.
You buy yourself then. Buy yourself. You buy cash pot. You buy cash pot. See there? 2,500 out of cash pot but you don't have no money.
You can buy one ticket.
I left man Philip. You see you man?
Want to know our money? Money you want. What you want to see? Alright.
Long time if you gone, man. Call for me, what this for?
Yo, hello?
Daddy,
No, I go on my daughter.
nothing. You
How
alright?
you been?
Me alright, man, to so far.
Well, I call you a hustle. A hustle is a hustle, my daughter. Things are so nice, but me I do the best we can do over here.
Me glad you also cause a little difficulties me now want you help me out.
What go on now?
Me want a little change to start one business.
Let no sound bad. So I'm still come on here down there.
No, you know if you go there, so man.
Because I know the young girls playing as a queen to know have man.
Me nah know, man. So me have to call you for help.
What we say one now?
Me want change to start one business. Me have some of my money, but me just want to get a push start for one shop.
Alright, my daughter. Alright, early morning, I will see creep up a little thing and see what I have here. But I promise you no big lump sum, but anything you get, you just add it up and make it work, alright?
Alright.
You could have look like a mustard seed. Just start with it. I go send you a little change a morning, you pick it up, and you do the best you can do it. Because our business go, you start from A to Z. So if $1, you take your time and build it up, alright? Because some may reach a foreign too. We take the time and work and so find them better roads, alright? It's
Yes.
more like a rock and stone, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, my daughter. You alright, the friend door?
Yeah, me alright differently.
Well, last year for your man.
Me here for a long time now, you know.
I remember the days, I remember the tribble we carry you come here, no girl. If you know, we have to look for your mother, some hill and some gully and some hide and seek, and your grandfather was a dirty man in a one, seen daughter with me as a Rasta man, he want Mr. Neat and fine to the mother. But anyway, I prevail and see I get you out of that worldliness. So every time I talk to you, I feel proud. You know what I mean? So just do the best you can do with whatever you get and make me proud. We have one if I pick me over here, you have enough brother and sister. One idea you get to meet them. Alright? Alright?
Yeah, alright.
Alright, my daughter. Take care. Tomorrow, man, we say something to you early, alright?
Alright, thanks. Later.
Alright, later.
This man I can't chat.
Two sides to a story, the lies and what is true. I know you're hurting, but I am hurting too. Staying by the color of love, all because of you. Now your essence lingers in my memories. Yeah. I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain.
Oi,
Wagwan,
that thing they are later on.
upon the road me there, one piece of rain, but it kinda eased up now still. Still a sprinkle a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to come check your girl. Which part you there?
Me dey one man, you can't come.
Me have something to tell you, see. I want to contact you about something. Me can't wait to see you to tell your girl.
You hurry up and come.
Alright, me there come. Kim.
I don't call Kim. If I even know say you come.
Girl, Make a lock the door. I have tour figure. You never hear me I say over the phone?
You tell me, see, I said, I wait for you to tell me.
Oh, because get up, you need to sit down up and hear this. This hot.
Yeah, but I will hear now it up.
Girl, that the man they not deserve for your love. You too good for that the man there. Dirty papai. He wore like a dog, a jigaloo. Me tell a long time to leave him. How much time if I tell you? Okay, so me and your friend and when me talk to you now listen, you ready your man? Okay, cause your man a come home country can tell you, oh baby, I love you. Him not love you. If he did love you, you won't kill you with bun so. You know, sister, that's when Easter. A cheese just won't get you better. Leave him alone. Dash out the dirty boy. Run him away. Look how you pretty. Look how you look nice. Look how much man I look you and you're blacky good man them for that the cross is there. What me say if you do? Run him away. What me say?
Candy, me not no love in my heart that the boy did no more. Look how long you see me. Cause every night he come in, you know, and tell me say he want sex and so and the boy not carrying money. He start sleep out, say I working and the boss of making sleep over. And he still not no money. Ever work but he don't have no money. Me an idiot, I'm glad you tell me this is last chance. The last chance, so me just glad you can't tell me. So me can get to just put him out. You see that barrel? I didn't close them in. And I think come here with it. I don't go thing come here with. And I think I left with. So you know if you tell me that. I mean know everything. We just that try work around, show how far we come from. But you can't go on. Right now, me not even stressed. Where you tell me me not surprised, me not feel no way about it. Me I tell you God truth. Me tell us how me feel that way, I lie me I tell. You know Papa is style man. No, I stay.
So imagine Kim, you sit down and take his style in front of the dirty boy and I tell me say, when me I tell her say you're not surprised, you are idiot. Me not think I'm an idiot. He's sensible more and so when you go out and please himself and when he come in and drop asleep. Me say if you do, run with the dirty boy. Me no want ears and clothes in a barrel. Me need to ears the clothes them the outer road and he go and take them up. Whether you see or you don't see, run with the dirty boy kind don't deserve you. Me and your friend. Anyway, me tell us when they come check you, rain when they fall and they ease down more and go me yard. Me not no time for labrish no more about it. See, any you me catch him again, member say me happy tell you, no, I'm going to take up static and lick him in the head because this and me and your friend. Me not like no boy come style of my friend them like it. I idiot you take your final.
Me know man, me know.
What me say if you do?
Me a run him with today not done. You go see how serious me be. Today not done. As in come in.
You know how much time you tell me say you're done with him and when me look at it in and sometimes me come knock for me your laboratory and chat people business and I hear him cock up in a bed. Yeah, but me forgive him because me love him. Do it again and see
I last man. You ask them out front.
That part there. No burn up his clothes them. One thing me will tell you to do. Take them dash them out there so but no burn them up because him not have no clothes to put on and naked they all of him. Although you buy them,
maybe I go close game man.
And you buy them, make him stay with them, make him say he's a better person and him, make him go along to a dirty girl when not even go give him. Yeah, water. Me gone, you know, say we look good. A style boy a style. Look how we nice and we look good and sexy, make some idiot boy a style. Me gone.
I know like you tell.
Alright, my friend, you know say anything? Me dey on your side.
Yeah man.
Them boy they not deserve way. Better man out there we want to. Look how we look.
I know lie. I know
look
lie.
how we look good.
I know lie.
Style way. You idiot?
We are waste time for true. Later.
All of my money was spent on you.
Really?
I mean, baby, not a woman I had. I always sleep with him, but I don't sleep for him because he don't really qualify for because I try to use the head for eye. It's like how you're short, and some love my girls, them short and nice and sweet. Spin round, look how you.
You're more too sweet.
I said, go. How you mean, baby? Don't worry, I'm so fat in the belly. Give a triplet. I'm not yet 6 feet one time one for born.
Yeah.
What you mean? I say go. You know, say me got it. Get up, you lazy. See there? And get up. Oi! What happened to you? What happened to you?
And that you do to my friend all the while. That you do to my friend.
Oh.
And the first time I catch you with woman, you know, you papaya give me friend bun. And they go and go nice her up and sweet her up. So she said she love. You no deserve my friend. You dirty boy.
Listen me.
If I were me,
Listen
they
me.
kill her with liquor.
Your friend a money lover.
Money lover.
Yes.
You spend money for my friend and my boy. Remember say my friend money buy this. Everything where you have on my friend money buy. You no have no money.
Your friend never buy me a sweet
I start
tea.
to work on your labourer. The little money where you get a she
I want one.
and this a boy
No, this a red daddy. What? What you doing, Miguel? What?
Hey, where you just do?
Babes, I walk,
Eh?
me walk up the road and him stop me.
Man, just enough to chat to no man. Eh? If no man a call you, say you have a boyfriend. What me
But
say?
I hit me and tell him.
Go by na yard. Go by na yard. Go by na yard, man. Sure. Hey boy, you better tell me who are here. I can't ramp with me shorty. You know how to walk for him at night time. Sure. Look a girl.
How that? Come then, no girl.
Sure, we want in your room and look watch TV.
Yeah, I'm trying one show, man, so I can consider upon the what this man in here. Come man, consider.
Yeah, consider.
You know that me I consider to do. Kind of rough with that man there, you know. Me try too much with that man there, you know, man.
And just stress yourself. A new man you forget but the black and me tell you. Then type of man then if you come and say look for your room top class. But the man they not in them class man.
Right now that me I consider for doing okay, so me and that man they just get in. Nicest place, the nicest treatment. Anything me want, me get him man loving, everything. No short or nothing, but now, me not get nothing at all. He hardly come here sometimes, me not even sleep here. See a work, and when he see a work, no money. So me don't know what to do.
You waste time man, you waste time.
It makes sense to let him for
So
sure.
then go on there first off. Run with that. One with me and tell him, I expect him to come and suppose see. Yeah, tell me say, oh, you know what, say me I go introduce you to somebody new, somebody will have some dolls they can share for me and you. You're not do nothing, you're not. Look how your body look good and neat.
And I like how when you use the chop, you use
Chaka
the
chaka
chop.
man. Can't take him.
And I like man.
Can't stomach him.
And when you used to chop back in the days then, you know, enough money used to make off a man, you know. So I don't know how me reach here, so just sit on in one position, so you know.
Yeah, so you plan to start work back here now since you not do.
Well, from me tell you man, say me sprain my back. You know, working move, that clock up my body. Girl, that's some money me want. Just some people just say, give me money, give me money. You can't have to work like slave every day.
If you could have just see where and just push the money through one hole and just go on. That's sweet, me as man.
Come like you read me mind. Can't do it for hard work, master. A man work them if you work and carry any money can't give it.
Man, we have to do hard work, plus we have to take hard work. Me can't bother, me can't manage.
Yeah? Me no wrong you for that one day. I do wrong you, but you don't get through that the man to you. Tell you that.
More you call me and tell me something new. I tell you that's still news.
No, but if I come and pass that my business, what to fear, man? Nobody know you.
Why? That's the one way. You know me pick you when you come to man already. You think teeth rat, me no want him. You think no brown, me no want him. I think a pretty hair, me no want him. You
You
can't
come off
put your
online.
black pepper green man them. Huh?
You come off online dating.
You can't manage. So my text them is like we have to pay for reply. So me no want me no want pay my bill. So me just no bother. Can't bother pay.
Oh.
Just to text me I have to pay a bill.
Me no wrong
That's
you.
why me have to go get one man. Me no bother want none so.
When I your time, I your time.
Right. But the thing else on your head.
10 to in a one. My papa, you know, say I have a piece of change just send me. $20 a man send me. He say not happy, you know, so me say me, alright, then me understand. Because foreign, I know better roses, you know. But you hear people attack, I work, they still work hard for their money. So me hide and go collect the money, because me dey shame, so me want who the woman say. The woman say, take you off, me have to come in with me, they can't see me face. Me
You
take
collect
off
$20?
$20. When if he send me one next money again, $20. Run him, you see. Me tell him, son of his head, me no more, me no want no more, cause that can't help me. $20 big over Western Union. I mean, if you hold on me face, hold on me face, so.
But you look like your father take you for $20, girl. $20 can't even got ice cream shop on Sunday.
I that me I try to tell him, man.
I do. Which may have my father send me $20 still. I do.
You need to go collect it. Do you need to collect it, so start with me.
Better than none.
$20?
If I pay one big glass and collect it.
Me not do it. Me not do it. Me have to run him, man.
You're rough. You must could have said put something else on it. If I have $70 so $20, no, so me not rate that as a father.
I'm going if you go.
I must want you go work. Like being the tell her that in a parable.
Work where? Me say me done with work.
Look for
Me
your
don't live in
face.
a rent house, you know? Me don't live in a rent house.
Yeah, keep me
A man make this, and then next man I will come in and come give me stress. I run me, I go run him and stay like this.
Kick your feet, kick them. Hey.
From me comfortable, me alright. Me must can go out and night time go book one or two man and buy me grocery. Cause me not pay rent, don't think more about a light bill. And me can thief water or go a river.
You're well alright. And I have a thing too bad and I stress you. And I like family with the 5 pitney them.
I never mean say you go do it. You don't know you can breathe, so. I want me get us that breathe, so.
Right now, I'm going to breathe again. But guess what, no? Guess what, no? Remember say no? I don't really have a relationship now. So, me and the old man still are high
Me
down.
can't get nothing again no coming on no man, so me can't take not even one more God pitney on the list. So, me don't know where you breathe again, not them a time,
No,
yeah?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Lovely child.
But me wish it not happen because I need a man. I need a good man. I don't know why I keep on go back to that old part. So,
When I hear time, I hear time. But if you are breed, I will stay with the old fart and it won't go and poop. How good that? If you are come, you come and tap call baby.
Mister, baby, me see the future. We can't left. Me
I
love
want
up
the
life.
future tell us that today you are left.
What do you mean by left?
Hey, no bother with it. Pack your things, man. I'm tired of you now. When me and you start everything be good, all of a sudden now go on, no money now come in, you sleep out and you work. Where money where you work?
Baby,
right now, good more I'm going.
baby.
No man, you still on yourself. Stay here so.
Listen up, baby. Me I work towards the future, so when you not see the money I like in a favorite department.
Alright, here one. Me glad it allowed you now want to save in the department. Get me a rent. You have to come with yourself. Here?
Really?
You see barrel over there, so? You see barrel over there, so? Where you go close and be packing up? Take it and come on.
But,
Roll the barrel and come out and me have to roll you out here. I don't want you. Hey, you don't want here.
you remember the days them, I used to wash your panty them and I say you go out with me.
Here.
Now starting.
Brownie, you brownie.
Don't involve me in it. Don't put me in this.
Don't
You
embarrass
want me
yourself.
coming in this.
Don't embarrass yourself. Just go on now.
Oh, a new man you find.
Me don't find nobody no. Me don't want no man. No man no. Take up your things, man.
Remember one day when God come to me and I walk in
Roll
and
it.
brand.
Roll this thing and go on
You
now.
can't keep them the money in the
Roll
bank.
the
You
barrel.
can't buy some
Hello.
goods.
Amen.
Roll the
them.
barrel.
Amen.
Me, I forget.
Hello, my friends have to roll the barrel. Roll it and go along and done.
You
and
see how
have
man
them.
steer.
No.
You see how man steer. You know, give me nothing at all, you know. Hungry day, I lick out me eye sometime and the man say, nah, no money, you know. But him a work, but all of a sudden, he lodging money.
Brownie, listen how you gonna
No, involve me in this.
No one days,
You don't want me
in
coming in this.
one days,
Nah, wicked and
you
liar.
have to test woman, you have to go hungry for a month,
Test
month upon
woman.
month.
Oh,
Yes, woman.
look how long me there. Me there hungry for weeks, month upon weeks. I am if you hungry and I test me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, test me till me starve and dead.
When I hear me coming and I say, baby,
Hello.
the future, you know when I come to tell I say, I come to tell you, I will cash all the money now, me find
No.
the right wife, but you prove
One
you
with
can't
it.
wrong.
One.
I test me, they test you. Test me, I test you. That's why me come here now, and I have to try to tell you, say, when I say, baby, the future, wait till me I come tell you. I come tell you, say, there is no more poverty. But see, they know you blow the candle, you know, to make you burn out.
One, he burn long time. He burn till he could burn no more. One, me don't want nothing from you. And what's so at every night he come in, he want sex. Every night he come in, he want sex.
Hello.
Hey.
Every night they want it, and not every night they get it.
Cause me I go sex for hungry belly. Me I go be idiot and sex you for hungry belly. All me fool so, I saw me want love sex. Take out your nastiness and come back and me no want to see
So when I
you.
go left the barrel, when I go to take out
And you say account fat, you account fat.
And
When
like I
I
said,
see I will light it. I will light it.
My bank account bigger than my pocket.
Yeah. Amen. May God bless you.
empty
Wicked
barrel make the
man.
most nice. You know how dry shit like that.
Wicked man, you know.
You see it when him say I like it,
Me say
I show
sometimes
him
me
the
dey
put
hungry and
on.
every time me drop asleep and so a man come knock me up. Think a little bit of time I have to go hustle up or call one of my friends them and beg them one little change. And cook and the man come in sometimes eat in night and he do and after when me get money from the cook, he just eat. And then every night he want sex. Every night so.
No.
Nothing go on about in business man.
Long time if you go on, long time run my old dirty boy, I'm telling you,
You must find
long time.
somebody.
So no, right now, bust my fist, girl, bust my fist. And I'm come back over here, come keep me. Burn on
You
the
never
house.
see him. See anybody
And
but
I'm
him.
come back house, you have my way, I'm burn on the
Never.
house. Yeah.
Never. Me not, you not see him. You know you say love is blind. Blind, deaf and dumb fi take up that.
But must.
I don't want to blow some steam here. Come and go out of our bowl again.
Next time, we're going to sorrow, but come here. But, the bag book fat, the bag book fat.
$10.
Yeah, that's true.
Blessed. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. What's up?
Yeah, good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Excuse, I'm doing good. Just having some lunch, you know what I mean?
I can hear that. You even belched on me.
Yeah, man.
So can I have some of the lunch? Can I have some of the lunch?
Yeah. You know, somebody I plan to come down there, but I don't know how fast come job got a hold on me, but the money that I sent you the other day, was it enough?
Yes.
I plan to go
Oh
to
my
the machine
God.
and send you some money today, you know.
It's enough. It was enough, but if you want to send it today, that's no problem because I will be glad to accept it. I need it. But anyways, so far, I would like to say you're a nice man. You sound good so far. Your voice not them hot. And your picture them hot. But I really want to meet in real life. I can't wait. I feel like I'm going to give it a try. No lie.
Don't worry yourself, man. We unite already, you know. It's if an higher invest in your upset, you check the money and buy good food. You know what I mean? Get the money, buy good food that I send to you, that me see your body strong.
Of
So,
course.
you know, whenever the time reach and I reach you, your body ready. You know, for the marathon running, because my picture don't speak for me, you know. I speak for myself in life and live in colors. Your picture speak for you. You're a hot girl, you know what I mean? That's
Sure.
why I like you so much and send you money, right?
True.
The money is not a problem to me because I work very hard, right?
Yeah.
And when you work very hard, you have to spend it very hard. So I spend my money on you because you look good. But apart from that though, and if you take over the conversation,
Yeah.
I have a daughter out there, but tell you from the beginning, you know. I have a daughter out there.
Really?
But one of these days, I'm going to send you a picture of her and you can see if you know her.
Where
But
exactly
I
here?
don't like to bring woman into her life because woman some of the time they can be so shittified and I have to let them go. So you are doing so good so far, you know what I mean? Because I have people checking up on you out there, you know.
Okay.
Anytime you look behind and you look at anybody look for you, some of them I pay them. Now come no question though. I pay people to keep and them been telling me things about you, so you wash it and turn it on. You know what I mean? So everything good and that.
You know, see, I kill me joke. You're not easy, you know. That's something I mean to come and you're going to keep me smiling. Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, man, I make you cry and smile sometimes. One too much of one thing good to know. I can't have you giggling all the time. You have to make your ball sometimes.
Oh, yeah, kill
So
me
don't worry
joke.
about that.
Yeah, kill me joke. So you're alright though otherwise, and how is your day so far?
My day is going good, you know. I give thanks, you know what I mean? I just eat some lunch. And I think I'm going to go to the machine and send you some money. You know what I mean?
Thank you so much.
Alright,
But anyways, I was to ask, how old is your daughter?
Well, I never asked ask her that, you know, because I have so many kids all over the world, I can't keep track of all of them from age group. I have girls that get pregnant for me from I was young, all different places, because she was not so bad looking woman just come to me say they want one pick me. Some of them in a relationship, some of them married people, we can't even mention that, you know what I mean? Because a jacket some big man get, but make it stand also.
Yeah.
But I have been working my pool and carving out my brand of
me
human
get
being
what
in the
you're
world.
saying.
So
Yeah, so me can't wait cause all of them something you tell me me feel really anxious. Me really want to see you.
yes, so my question, can you breathe?
Yes, I can breathe. I mean breathe
Yes.
as in conceive.
Yeah, if the style is fertile.
Of course.
Yeah, you can breathe.
Yes, I
Because
can breathe.
you see the money when me I take down here now, if you breathe, you get triple time that. You know what I mean? Because the youth say me a mouse. I think my daughter well bigger now, so I don't want some younger youth. Because she daughter need to go out there and find them one a man and survive. So I need to make some more youth.
Oh, so you need a son now. You need a son.
The boy Pitney, I would think about giving him a good start so he can get. If his daughter want to go college, we send him go college. But
Yeah,
if
man.
daughter go find his husband and move on where I go.
A whole heap of son in my back.
Help.
Whole heap of son in my back. No worry yourself about that. Whole heap of son in my back. Yeah.
Alright, if no son in your back, a man is tired go up and turn up in his son. It will increase your fertility. Yeah.
Alright,
So,
I will do just
anyway,
that.
Anyway, like I tell you, I just eat lunch and I have some people waiting on me. I have
Okay.
nice hearing your voice, but later I will call in the night and you can go in something skimpy and I will take off everything and show me what to take off right here and work for me and work for me.
Alright, no
But I'm
problem,
gonna send
baby.
somebody go and go back
But you
to
still like
work.
how you gonna send me the money? I'm gonna buy a sexy lingerie from that money. I'm gonna surprise you. Alright?
You don't have to buy the lingerie, I can send it come soon to you, but I'm not sharp, you know.
Oh,
I have
alright.
1 day express.
Alright.
I can call one somebody now and a lingerie come.
However, just
Text
do
me
it.
your panty size. And I'll
Alright.
text somebody from the office. Deliver whole set of soup for you. Alright?
Alright, baby. Love you. Later now. Take care.
Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Straightness.
How are my dog?
Now you my dog.
How are your dog?
Me I talk to.
Wanna go on?
There we go.
Alright. So, you can't get 2 drinks for me and my friend.
No problem, man.
Alright then, so I'll light up now. Shopkeeper, 2 special please and 2 cigarettes.
Thank you. So I can't get 1 banana cheese because I'm not cook it.
And a choco loco and a plant chips.
No,
And a banana
you
chips.
beat me.
And a juice to take just and do it. Only that sweetheart.
But you beat me. Get your shoes them too.
Man say habit, calm down yourself.
No problem, man.
That me I say from me see you come in, you look nice, you know, see you like me?
Mm-hmm.
Can I exchange number and thing?
No problem, man.
Alright then.
The money catch up with some girl.
Mm-hmm.
So we can go on. Can buy me and go and brace up with it.
Yeah, man, yes, I can go after me, man.
With what?
Yeah, exchange number, man.
Alright then.
What a man nice. That man that like that is still there.
You can give me a number still, where you live?
Road, man.
Alright, me live down the road, we'll link, here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Me I say my girl.
Can't believe.
You tell my girl how long me not book up a man like this.
Man like this did really there. Still. No sir. I feel there today.
Give me 2 cream soda then.
Just sharing a 2 there.
Try to do my
Sharing a
thing
2.
set.
Yeah. Mm. Thank you. Yeah, but come on, more often. Alright. Alright then, babe. Alright. Who is that? Miss Sam, can't take all you so. I
don't want like you wanted the man.
Please. Me now sit down. So I one.
That thing.
Miss Sam, before you sit down, before you
I
sit
think
down.
I can't wait the
News
rest.
to tell you. Me have news to tell you now. I'm excited. Me can't wait to tell you. I said me meet one man off of Facebook. Girl, the man up is a shame. And guess what happened? Fren, you living up.
Hey!
Right now, he soon come. That one whole heap of sick when I up to me. Girl, man, tell us I'm not let go of this summer now.
Currency, you send money.
Oh, you mean right now my bank book fat up already. If you want to send money to my account, so send money.
What you say?
Girl, right now, I say I'm not let things go because I have to save sitting all the time. I say I'm picking them in a girl.
You pick them good now.
Yes, then
And that
good now.
is main thing.
Ah, sweet me right now. Last night, I not go sleep. As I lock me, I'm going to see man.
Right.
Boy, I'm ugly and a boy look good. And I don't know old man and no young boy, but in between. Girl, that's something like this in one chat. Them a position of it inner.
Yeah, I better one. That is my father me can hear from.
I like.
You man miss now 5 grade. Me nah see DP status and nah see nothing at all for him man. Me a call him phone, me nah get him.
And if I fed up and black too.
Even if he do that, I just hope he alright. That's all me I wish, cause don't need like him from a man, you know. But me just a pray say he alright. Can't hear from the man.
Then I could have.
But then
That's strange.
You can sit now going to meet me, you know.
What?
Meet up with man nowadays. In the online, I still me can get friends with man. You know, make sense. Me the same thing I used to use it work for me now.
Boy, I'm kind of impatient when I come out to them something like that. I can't like to chat to people and so far, I can't see them. Actually, someone tell me saying, "I'm come here soon, you know." Because I said, "Man, him start talking."
Try make sure they're sitting there for me. Anything you make, make sure there's something
Girl,
there
don't
for
say
me.
nothing. See, one size me order big size and little size. What
Oh!
do you?
Think about me too,
Can't
right?
let you out. You mad? But just go and they're gonna shop at Jamaica family to show some people some things. But if you show some people the real dolly, I want to do them.
Why? Me excited for you, but I want to feel that I'm just a think about me for you, alright? Because I can't hear from the man.
But me feel it for you still, because I don't like when you're sad, you know. But you have to go run some back door check, call somebody over there when you live and close to him, you know.
You must say me not know what I know. I am there for me for a longer time, at least a little bit of money used to send come.
Not sure at least, I did 20 years still, but still have to find out what do man, because this not sound right, isn't it?
And I just see me, you know, just that whole man me have in my life.
Still have to check out, man, because I don't feel saying I just go blank fire, so maybe something in phone or something, one maybe losing charger, I can't anything, I don't feel say, in turning back.
We are chat about lose charger, I could have never foreign in there. And I'm working good job, but just a prayer saying good.
Man, I text you. Hey!
I'm gonna text
Hey
you.
baby, what a we start on the baby quick. Me excited, me not see
I can't wait for him come every meet him, I hope he can somebody with him. I'm not gonna come in here, I can't know friend, I'm not going to enjoy cool breeze out there.
Never ask him about that still, but
Well, I'm glad to say alright.
yes man.
I left you know I'm still in.
Yeah, Alex,
We just do one come check up on if you say if you're alright and if you never do good.
for real.
But from it, you say alright and you man treat you good and you pick them good. I'm going to live up you know.
Alright, then me link you or call you or text you or something.
Yeah.
And does me keep you posted, no worries, sir.
Alright, later. Don't let go of your man, you know.
Let go for what you're mad. What's the matter? But do they are cuss girl? Alright.
What go on, Kim? Yeah, girl, I'm there. I just a check up on you. I hear say no one papa left.
Why you hear news party?
Yeah, girl, I know I think go in your community. So, what me there think say? What you say?
Long time you that. Yeah, mother.
So, I think so I could have go out and thing, meet up at the bar, a good while I link up and enjoy yourself and thing.
Why that so true, but I really want to go so stress up lately.
Alright then, so we'll meet up at our bar.
What time?
Meet me next hour.
Alright then, that's fair.
Alright, may I get ready?
Hello?
Me there outside. Come meet me now.
Alright girl, me there walk home, me there nearby.
Alright.
Yeah.
Girl, long time I reach.
Reach good little while now, man. I just say me wait for you.
Yeah.
Man, I can't bother with the foolishness. What shall you say there?
What's your what?
You sell out.
Me a cool out.
When you get the one man, you know, but tell me about you.
Don't say that. Me never plan. Don't say that.
She a glow too.
So I one girl now grow tonight. Do what kind of plan? What kind of setting?
You stay bad, me still have you up. You could have tell me say you come on the road.
Stop act away then. I'm glad you come. So can't tell us so.
I can't understand. Oh, you make a little one Facebook man I get to your head so you get hour. I mean you normally come a road. And if you get him and you things start one for you, you cut me off.
Stop say that man. As me tell you, never plan. Me and him a text and me tell him some day I'm boring and I say, well, just some money get account and can enjoy yourself and that me I do. Me feel live lavish in a girl. I say me never used to do my life before. I want to see you.
Oh.
But me that call about me and say me don't know if you have something I do. So you have to do with me.
What a silly excuse.
So
You don't want to breeze out.
All if me didn't call you tonight, you know say next time. Could have passed. I don't know where you're going to say. You understand what I say?
I really think man, like alkaline say real dogs never sell out.
Not true. Nah, sell out. Just go have a nice little rum popsicle and calm down your nerves.
Put on the first round.
Right now, my text me. I didn't don't give me phone a break.
And you have a big man, so put on the round.
Okay.
Me I tell you, imagine when you come to Jamaica.
Man,
Jesus
you make-
Christ.
Say can't me get one of the first man them.
Me already I try start out one fishy. I'm not
No
sure.
girl, calm down your nerves. This is not it about me. At least you
You need a man for
Me
true.
need a man for
Say
true.
a true, I really
Yes,
think.
we
Cause
need
like
a
the boy
man.
there.
Boy, me follow me song 24/7. A long time me there, so still not so no warm. We get something now.
Yeah, but that's one of them infused
Why them-
alcohol
Them
pop.
popsicle they look so good from the
Don't-
come in a top look on them.
don't worry.
Jaja.
Rum sick, I want something
Hello,
strong.
who they here? Hello.
Don't call nobody. We international, they must come and say, what do you want tonight, you lovely ladies?
That's true.
I really
That's true.
talk, you know. How are they in there? How about there?
Right, them busy.
The funny many when I saw one. Only thing me want on this are the alcohol infused pops, you know. Rum
Yeah.
sick, rum punch.
Yes,
To be
that me
exact.
I pray to. Anything
What
with
you want
rum.
to?
Yeah.
Anything with rum.
Something
What's up
strong.
there?
Yeah. No, I'm not weak right now.
Alright, you what want, though?
Can I get a rum popsicle, thank you? Yeah, the rum popsicle we want it here.
Them cutie.
Make it three. I'm going to tell you to take it out of my mouth.
And they think can give you a discount.
True.
You'll be happy.
This guy was somebody.
Let me tell you.
Looking.
Thank you so much.
All little design. Thank you, darling.
Nice, man. Boy, let me fuck our babes and video this are eating ya.
Don't worry, rum
You wanna know normal?
You ready right now? Why? Nature calling.
So, you have a man?
Don't ask me about that girl.
Oh, we had the joke already. Oh, what is? Man, you have to walk around. I don't know what she just started.
No, me I go home with you. Me I go home later.
You feel already?
No, me
I
alright,
feel like you feel
man.
vehicle.
Nah, kill me back.
Later, girl.
Already.
I'm not ready to eat now. I'm not share
Just
with
ready
you.
to too much up for already.
And I say, I'm going to eat.
You know, some man just run upon you. Or go on. Man run upon you and say, me I give you a call, man. Yeah, upon the work me there, but, you know, to the one type of different day, you know what I mean? You know, have to wear official clothes, you know? Yeah, man. Upon the work me there, man, just come out of one little meeting. But I don't know, them jacket and tie meeting there, you know, just some meeting with some people. Pertaining some new projects, you know what I mean? Casual. But my mind just run upon him and say, you know, man, no, where you deal with? Anything you want, you can call me and ask me, you know, man. I don't want to know, say, out of yard there and things don't go on good for you, you know. Because, like me say, I'm a man that work every day, you know what I mean? The picture that I sent you, do you know that girl, that's my daughter? Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, some say she not favor me still, but we did do a DNA still, so I mind. I shouldn't carry over here, that's why I'm not too focused on her so much because one of the things for her, she can come over here and go and get some work too. She text me, I know. Alright, so, may we talk though, but I'm going to do, I'm going to line up a piece of thing for you, I buy some gift for you for whenever I reach Jamaica, you can get them, right? So, my left hand to go to one store now and pick up some stuff. So, I send a picture of the stuff them. I tell them what you like out of it and whatever. You know what I mean? Alright. Love you too. Alright.
You hungry? Alright, you want some rice and peas and chicken? Alright, go and go back, go lie down here, and go prepare it for you.
Shawty, come here. Come.
Daddy. May I go prepare the food for you now, yeah, baby? Alright.
We are pulling stuff up. Relax yourself. You come check in your car before we now get you.
Because me have a man in this and I can't make him know say that I call him.
Don't worry, man. If you don't watch everything, then you police and something you ask you. So what?
You know, she said, me and Pitney them inside, they can't check me them time here, man. You know when you have to come check me.
Alright, but we want you to leave me later. So you have to find some excuse.
Alright. I'm going to go on the road later, so me go check it.
Alright, sexy.
Alright.
I don't want to tell.
Yeah, Kim. You know, say me have something to tell you about. I don't link your yard, you know. Just walk come up a beach with me and talk. Yeah, man, me up a beach now. Alright then.
I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain.
Girl.
What? You reach? Oh God, it's a pity next thing that is so far.
I mean, me have to walk in a car carry broke down.
Me have something to tell you, see. But I hope when me tell you not too overreacting.
But me and your friend like that. Come on, girl.
Oh, I know, so we are friends for a long time, not true?
Yeah.
We find out the thing of the day where it can cause our friendship. But you have to understand. I hope when me tell you, in the end, the friendship, no man, this serious. Me not laugh, this serious with you, me not laughing. Don't bother if you say a joke or a prank or nothing, because I know me love prank already. But me just don't want me and you to fall out after me tell you this.
Come on now, me and your friend long time. There is nothing I must stupid I got to tell me just forget or get over. There is nothing we can come between me and you know that too.
Alright then, so you say that then. You know, say, remember say me I tell about him man and my friend on Facebook and sit now we are talking and everything. And me get to love him and everything and the man send me money and everything. In a chattings and deep talkings, I know saying send me picture of my daughter.
Oh, so you find out of my
Guess
daughter?
when he send me the picture of daughter, guess who in daughter be? Now you.
Oh.
You, the little picture of you.
No, call me.
So I'm dating your daddy.
No. My father mean he need to send $10.
You see a man when me are your
not my father. Stop be foolish, girl. My father mean you can't get not even $10 from them and this. So you're happy. Come, show me a picture. Cause this I get too serious now.
Yeah. See picture there when you're small with your hair plait up. Now you this.
And my father that funny.
Now you're a Rasta man daddy that. This one me see picture me almost faint.
And you know, I tell you so much sit about my father and you are my friend.
Oh, me feel know when me see picture me know girl.
You know because you are my friend.
You see it, father?
And me trust you. And you are with my father and I collect so much money from my father. I tell you my father worthless to me, you should understand because remember, you are mad a long time, you know. And you know how situations you for your baby father them not give them nothing.
No, say your father.
And the man I want worthless man and not give me nothing. And me tell you things that you're still there with
and
him.
And send money to
you not no conscience.
Girl, you can't
you not good somebody.
You can't
you don't have
me never know say daddy when he send the picture me know say daddy girl.
You don't have no conscience. You don't want good somebody. Me not I don't tell you. You don't want good somebody. Look how me tell you a man cheat me.
Me know say this one go happen because me feel
Let me this one, me
say
you want voice note.
That's why I never want to tell you come and say, I tell me say man not get nothing and man send me money so.
Hold on man.
All of that
worthless, dirty, stinking sperm donor. You when me time me beg you want a little money you send me like $20. But oh you find money if you send woman come give them non-stop. Send money come give me one friend. Not say a word. Don't say a word. All this.
Me never know.
Me don't want to have nothing.
Me never know.
Me have to blow off little steam. Me can't believe. Me don't want to have nothing to do with you. You go blow off me.
Me could have still take money from me no girl. Me being a good friend to tell you, you know. You see it though, that's why you see sometimes you have to be this honest, not kind of honest with people, you see it. Remember say me could have be a fool friend and just do things that man not do nothing girl and me just tell you, see it.
Wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away
Girl.
my pain.
Hello?
How are you then?
Wait, I'm not hearing so good. It's what pick up gear.
Yes, how are you then?
You know, say up on the road, me there. You alright?
Something just happened. I mean, I have nobody else to call, nobody else to talk. So I need some advice from you. So I beg you do. Just hurry up and come link me.
I want you.
Come when you come, we tell you.
Alright, may I come.
Yeah.
Two sides to a story, the lies and what is true. I know you're hurting, but are you hurting too? Staying by the color of love, all because of you. Now you resonate in my memories. Yeah.
One thing.
Girl, you know me hardly tell about my father. And tell us my father not give me nothing at all. Like that. My friend just called me. Oh, Only if you know say the man she had talked to and near to long now when I said one of the things come here, come give her and my father. My father take care of woman and could take care of me. $20 in time begging for money saying come give me $20.
Kim, I really that you sit down and I stress out about? Father nah mind you and they take money give next woman. Let me tell you something. Don't make this bother you. Because a lot of pitney go through it and then pass the worst. And at them the pitney they always come out bright where poopa no mind. Your poopa come like a some dirty man them. Me never say every man, don't get me wrong. Your father one a dirty man will left your mama with how much pitney, eh? And gone with next woman. With one bag of pitney where even no father and fee and go mind them and they sustain woman. A matter of fact, me know say I saw a little dirty boy stay for a long time. You know your poopa, me not like him, me always tell us I don't like that man there. Me not even sure if your poopa to you better do a DNA. Cause how come he if he can get you from your mother and no one stand up to your responsibility? A dirty man do there something there. The man gone got by hair, fingernail, batty rider, pony printer give girl and make girl put on lashes, do up face and then sitting there the rouge up in body and you a suffer and you call him your daddy tappy. Me and your friend and me are no idiot and me no want no fool to be my friend. You hear what me say? Me tired to tell about them dirty man they will not stand up to their responsibility and mind their children. Kim, me are no idiot. I mean, I want no fool to be my friend. Me tell you warn you about that dirty man the way you say your father. You know, say not take care of you from your small. How that surprise you? The man rather go spend his money on young girl and buy this and buy that give them. You see him business with you? All when you're dead for young green don't care about you.
I beg the man to start one business, help me start one business, you know. The man sell me $20, you know. And the girl have over $2.8 million in her account and a long time then and me see proof. When the man send me transaction, I said, well, I normally see the name so she don't know. See my father. So when she show me a picture, when man send him say me and daughter, if I could have dropped down flat and dead a beach side, me drop down flat. And me end up all best with the girl and me call if he ask her, say if you give the girl, because the girl no.
Are you a friend?
Yeah.
So you did have one next friend with me as your friend?
Me nobody go there so. You must know Lizzie, but you and Lizzie can't
Lizzie a chat?
Yes.
That the girl me not like her. Me not like her no at all. Me tell you what to do. I know you just find out to tell me I already know for a long time.
Me just find come back from the beach side and me know us.
Girl, you and Lizzie are friend. Your name easily can go in her account. Cause she rate you like that and you're such a friend with to her. Best friend. Eh? You can put your name in her account. Suppose she trick her. Suppose she
give me some of my money, don't
oh,
it?
no. No beg him none. Do like you don't want it, but you'll get the whole of it. Trick her. Me and your friend, in case anything happen to you, you can't go bank or the machine go draw no money. Me can do it for you. You know, say Lizzie love chat. And she chat too much. All in her sleep she chat. That's why me and her can't friend. Me not like her dirty style. She have too much attitude and body language and true. She get man money and they spend it on her body like a she work for. She go on like I say she more on people. Girl, you don't know if it's trick her. Get the 4-digit from her. Fit her bank card and a style. You know? And take out every dollar out there if you don't want to do it that the way they feel look so bad. You and her friend. Tell her say sickness can take anyone out know but your feel say she first go sick and she can't go a bank for herself. So she fi put your name in her account that you can draw money and cure her doctor. And you get the whole lot.
Me don't think me can do that. Cause here what she never know. She never know none at all because she tell me good say man I give her money. She even give me money and so. Anytime I fall on my face and I call her, she give me a little change and so. But me never know say she never know. If tell her the truth. She never know. And
Kim.
she call me.
Kim.
She call me today a beach side and
Kim.
tell me.
Kim, you listen to me? Kim, you listen to me carefully? You hear me say me no want no fool to be my friend. And your father money. Why you free to take it? I'm not thief you papa one. Whatever I never give you, when he need to give you, you go get it back that way there. Friendly girl. You're not a friend, you need to be more friend, more closer friend. Make your name go in an account. Because you need their money there. Whether she did know or she never know. Oh, you know, say she never know. I can tricky girl, you know. But, and you're like, and she never know. I mean, never know neither. Me just know cause whatever. You can prove it.
She not the type of person.
Shh. Chat too much. You hear what they say friend do to friend? Me not have to tell you because you're supposed to hear her. You hear that long time. You're not a child. You're a big woman. And every time you're in your problem, then you sit down over here. Look what you do. Look here. Look what you do. See because you're dirty pooper. You're stressed out over here. And they smoke this. This is not good for you. Then suppose you make your man breed you. You go smoke while you're pregnant. To affect the baby brain. Anytime you breed and me a baby godmother. And me no want no pick me with the turn idiot. That's where this. That no good. No make me come over your back and see you they smoke and they stress out about no poop and no mind me and they give girl money. How your business with that and how that concern you? You want me say do to get back your money? When you take out the money out of her account when your name going there, you see since as your papa have money for waste and don't know if you do it if you mind him picking them, he can kill this man, he not no use the money, make him give him back whatever miss from the account. Where you afraid about it for?
You not do that.
You not do it.
Why me not do that? I want your door open.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, Miss Naya, say good evening. Anyway, can't let go things. Anyway, Kim, me know say you don't have nothing for me. You know what, you're nothing me have to say. See me all talk foolishness. But you need to understand and look into yourself and know say if me I did one bad friend, I would have still taking money and I would not tell her nothing. All when me find out. Alright?
I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
When you did send a picture of me, you didn't tell him say you know me?
No, sir, me not tell him.
Alright, so like you say, me is such a good friend. Put me name in your account again. No, say me not have me fall from my face now. So you must can put me name in your account and you know tell him none at all so you know me and still collect up your money.
So, you try to tell me say only that me can do for make we still be good friend again?
Me no say we are enemy, but we are friends.
But where you going and walk off and go like you know what you me and say, and you know say me real to you for a long time. So you shouldn't stop pre me like that, man. Me not rate that, but me I go do it. Know yourself. Me I go make him continue and send him money so that you can benefit from it. Me I go do it, man.
No, you're talking. Me and you is friend to the end.
Like
because you know too, because you have Pitney, so you know how it feel. And if man no give me no money and not take care of me and said everything come give and never have to give me to me, I'll tap here for the man.
I tell you, say, would be a wicked friend if me ever know say your father and tell you.
Yeah, better friend, I'm glad you do it.
Yeah, now making country and more me I go.
Why 200 there so I talk like
no,
you
me I
not
go
see
in
me?
my pocket.
How what happen? What she say? Oi, you not talk to me, me not talk to you.
You act like you never see me. You just love money too much. You have vanity woman, you know. You see it, you know.
Kim, she go put your name in it?
Monday morning.
She put your name in it?
Yeah.
You put her name.
Lizzie.
Me
not like you, you know.
I
But
know.
you say as friend to them, me and your friend. You put Kim name in your account, me and your friend are the three of we are friend. For heg me in I read. The three of we are friend. Girl, are your dirty pooper money are going off your account. Me and you are friend, you and she are friend, the whole of we are friend, the whole of we are spending.
Action.
This is your girl 1010 and I'm asking you please and thank you to go to my YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. You can find me on YouTube by the name of 1010, all caps.
Spell it.
Ten.
Oh, alright, and you know.
Hi everyone, my name is Sharika Wilmot. Please and thank you to go over my YouTube channel at Share Nation. Like, comment, share, you know the above. Thank you so much. You can also go over TikTok at Bricks Hollywood. That's my TikTok name and you go and see all those skills. Thank you. Go and like, also follow and do all. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Hi guys, I'm new to the team. You can find me on Instagram at Lori this _ Lori that.
Me
Take
not have
care.
me Instagram. Yes,
Hold
you
on,
can
we're not picking
also
up.
find
So-
me on
Oh, and
Wait.
big up,
We're not
big up
picking up.
public report
Sure.
all the
Big up
time.
public report, right through, right
Come
through.
here, wonder what
Yeah,
going
we
on.
don't know how comes if you got that in one general.
We're so sorry.
I only can find me on Instagram, Jessica Thomas 3695. We out. Remember, like, share, and subscribe
All of
to
them.
Public Report channel. One of the
Yeah.
baddest, enough more things in the makings.
Yeah, a lot for you guys to see a lot more. Public have everything in store. Alright.
Alright.
Please, hold on, one more thing. Go over to my Instagram at Bricks Hollywood. Same way. Please follow. Thank you.
I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain. Always a price to pay. Never expected it to feel this way. Now I'm facing time, a criminal just for what I said.